What if I told you that just 1 teaspoon a day can help you lower your blood pressure naturally? No medications, no side effects. Just powerful natural ingredients which are backed by science. So stay with me because in today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple yet effective recipe that you can start using today to improve your blood pressure. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a functional medicine physician, helping people to improve their health conditions by natural ways. Several people have been dealing with high blood pressure issues. They have been given several medications to improve their blood pressure. For some people, the medications work. There are others who get a lot of side effects from these medications. But nature has answers to a lot of health problems. And today, I'm going to share with you a natural science-backed recipe that has helped a lot of my patients to improve their blood pressure issues. Now, as a disclaimer, it is very important to work with your doctor on your blood pressure issues. This video is not a health advice, nor I am telling you to stop your medications. So make sure you're working with your local health provider to improve your blood pressure. Now let's talk about the natural ingredients and how to exactly prepare this 1 teaspoon recipe that can help improve your blood pressure as well as your heart health. The first ingredient of this recipe is Ceylon cinnamon. Cinnamon has several health benefits, including improving your blood sugars. But most people are not aware that several research studies have also shown that cinnamon can also improve your blood pressure issues. The mechanism of action is that cinnamon works on calcium channel blockers, which controls the relaxation of your blood vessels. So Ceylon cinnamon is the first ingredient over here. The second ingredient in this recipe is ginger. Ginger has several health benefits. It can improve your gut health, reduce inflammation in the body. But the new research suggests ginger can also help lower your blood pressure. Ginger acts on your ACE receptors in the body. There are several blood pressure medications which work on these similar receptors. So thereby ginger helps you improve your heart health as well as lowering your blood pressure by working on these receptors. The third ingredient over here is cardamom. Now cardamom is not very well known in a lot of Western countries, but cardamom has several health benefits. It has been shown in some research studies that it can help you lower your blood pressures. The mechanism of action of cardamom is similar to what we call as a diuretic. It works on your sodium-potassium channels and help improve your blood pressure issues. And the last ingredient of this recipe is beetroot powder. The way beetroot powder helps improve your blood pressure is because it is rich in nitrates. These nitrates get converted to nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator. That means it dilates your blood vessels and again helps in lowering the blood pressure issues. So you see, all of these ingredients work in different mechanisms in your body and are all natural and help you improve your blood pressure issues. Now let's talk about how to prepare this particular recipe and how to consume it. Now to prepare this recipe, actually you can mix all of these ingredients into a dry powder and then you can store it for at least a week or so and you can just consume 1 teaspoon of this every day. But if you want to prepare it fresh every day, then what you need is half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of beetroot powder, then you need 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and then 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. And then you mix all of these powders really well together. And then you consume this 1 teaspoon of mixture with a glass of water. Try to drink it with warm water because all of these ingredients get activated with warm water and works really good in your body. Now, what is the best time to consume this drink? For most people, it is the morning time. Because morning time when you're waking up, your body is getting your blood pressure increasing slowly and slowly. So if you consume it in the morning, it keeps your blood pressure in good levels throughout the day. But if you feel your blood pressure is rising more so in the afternoon, then you can also take it during the afternoon time also. Avoid taking it in the night time because naturally your blood pressure might become lower and you might not be aware of it. So here you go, a 1 teaspoon recipe with different ingredients which are working at different levels in your body to support your cardiovascular health as well as your blood pressure health. So give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how good it is working, making sure that you are checking your blood pressure on the regular basis so it doesn't drop too low for you. and making sure you're also working with your doctor in case you're trying to get off of the blood pressure medications. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this recipe or this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.